gonna be your speaker, presenter for tonight. I'm Vilma Sabulao, a diamond leader po dito sa Live Good. So a little bit of my background, my life before I am an accountant by profession. I've been into practice for 13 years as an employee. Solo mom po ako ng 5 bata at nag-join po ako sa network marketing with an intention na papag-aralin ko po yung mga anak ko sa kolehiyo kasi alam po natin ang income ng isang empleyado at solo mom ka pa, hindi po talaga sapat yon to survive 5 kids. And true enough, I've been in this industry for almost 18 years and I've been a top achiever in 3 different international companies including po si Live Good. And I could say my life right now, no? Ano po bang nangyari sa akin? Ako po yung naging kauna-unahang babaeng naging diamond po sa Live Good, fifth diamond in the Philippines at naging founder po ako ng LGSEI. Ito po yung Live Good Soaring Eagles International. This is our community provided to equip sa ating po mga leaders because I believe that in this kind of business or any field of endeavor, napaka-importante po ng education. And our purpose here is really to equip and support the team to give the proper education in the aspect of their mindset, in their skill sets, as well as on the strategies on how they gonna be successful in doing the business. So isa po akong happy mom. Okay po, I'm a coach, I'm a mentor, and it's really my passion sharing to people about my misery, about my misery that become a message to a lot of people. And how did I discover Live Good? So February of 2023, I saw a powerful landing page sent to me by my upline. I joined right away and it changed my life and it can also change your life. So yun po ang aking pong hinihiling na makinig po tayong mabuti. At dahil po sa Live Good, na-regain ko po ang aking health, energy. Ako po ay 58-year-old na in 2 years time from now. Ako po ay magsi-senior citizen pero hindi naman ako mukhang senior. Marami nagsasabi po nun, ano? So pumapalakpak po ang aking puwet at ang aking tenga. Alam mo mga kababaihan, pag ina-appreciate po pagdating sa kanilang edad, grabe po yung tuwa nun. But I know that they are naman genuine in telling that. Okay po, so sumigwe, no? So I built a smart income with a purpose na alam ko po na there are 3 things bakit po natin ginagawa ang isang hanap buhay. Number 1 is because of our profession. So ako po, nagretiro na po ako bilang isang accountant. And number 2 is because of your passion. And I could say, this is part of my passion na right now. And number 3 is because of your problem. So kung sumali man ako dati sa network marketing is because to address the problem that I have before, na yun po ay ma-augment yung pangangailangan po ng aking mga anak. But because of that, the network marketing na sobrang ang laking utang ng loob ko po sa industriyang ito, it becomes my passion na whatever this industry gave on me, it's really my responsibility to impart it to people. Lalong-lalo na sa mga tulad ko na mga solo mom, okay? So, or any person that you are into a difficult situation, that you might be searching for your financial freedom or whatever purpose that you have. So, yun po yung naging passion ko. And of course, no, sa usaping kalusugan din, because I used to be unhealthy before. So, I help others grow and rise. Ang sarap po ng pakiramdam na ginagawa mo yung business na to, na hindi lang yung buhay mo ang nababago. And I developed through experience, no? Through the difficulty, through the alam mo yun sa buhay natin, sometimes nagkakaroon po yung mga difficulty, nag-hits hard sa buhay po natin. So it develops me to have that stronger leadership, and I live with peace, passion, and direction. So that's my story. So much on that at not so much on me. Palakpakan po natin yung aking humble story and I hope na na-inspire po tayo. So now let's go to the business proper. So this is about sharing to you like Netflix. So I know that everybody, alam po natin sino po si Netflix. So what about if, no? Ang Netflix po ay nag-umpisa po ng affiliation program na i-refer mo ito sa mga kaibigan mo at binabayaran ka. Dahil sa pag-share mo ng opportunity, kumikita ka ng monthly bonuses from the members na shinare mo yung opportunity. And ngayon, ang Netflix, alam nyo ba, ay nasa 302 million members na tayo. Pero, sad to say, si Netflix, tanging ang kumpanya lamang po, yung may-ari, ang talagang kumikita. So apart from the subscribers, ang nai-enjoy lamang po natin syempre is the benefit, no? The benefit na we are enjoying all the movies. But apart from Netflix, marami din pong mga popular membership na alam kong alam po natin to. Ito po yung YouTube Pro, yung Amazon Prime, the Netflix, the Sams, the Costco, Disney. So kung titingnan po natin dyan, pwede po tayo dyang magbayad either on a monthly basis or pwede din po tayo magbayad on an annual basis. So nakakatipid po dyan pag annual. So ito po ay mga purely membership companies or we call it a subscription companies. So tingnan niyo po sa right side, sa opposite right side, no? Meron po siyang 125 million for YouTube Pro. So million-million po yung mga members na sumasali dito like Amazon Prime. Yung Prime po nasa 200 million, not including the regular members. So what this illustration is trying to show to us is itong industriyang subscription is talagang proven and tested na and it's really a booming industry. So meaning to say, hindi na po ito trial and error kasi proven and tested for many years na nagge-generate po talaga siya ng mga members. Tinatangkilik po ito ng mga tao. However, ang pagkakaiba po, okay, look at this, no? Itong mga popular membership, wala po itong rewards, no? Wala po itong payout na ibinibigay sa mga subscriber. Ang mga binabayad po na subscription ng mga members, it gets only the benefits of a certain company. So wala pong rewards. So the income goes directly to the owner. And here comes Live Good, isa pong company na ipinanganak, no? Just recently, na ito po ay isa pong membership that pays. So paano po 'yon? This is a club membership, no, na kung saan we join into the company to become a member or affiliate na we will get, no, we are being paid if we refer a friend and be paid. So ano po yung mga products na meron dito? Yun po yung ating pong tutuklasin. So who is Live Good? So Live Good is a company which is the membership that pays. A revolutionary one, the disruptor in this industry. So ngayon, ano pong ibig sabihin ng membership? So it's same like YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix, na magjo-join po tayo through membership. However, ang kaibahan, dito po magja-generate po tayo ng income. Aside sa mga benefits na makukuha natin at becoming a member of Live Good. So bakit po siya tinawag po na revolutionary? I'll explain it also. And disruptor in the sense na binago niya po yung mukha ng industriyang ito. This is totally a game changer in the industry of network marketing. Bakit po siya tinawag po na revolutionary? Kasi binago niya po yung mukha. So kaya doon sa mga nakikinig po sa atin na hesitant po sa network marketing industry, at alam niyo yun, ayaw mag-join sa network marketing industry kasi andun yung mga pahirap, no? So ito po yung mga inaayawan ng karamihan. Yung quota, yung auto ship, yung points monitoring, yung forced buying of products kahit hindi mo na kailangan. At dito po sa Live Good, tinanggal na po lahat yan. Wala tayo ditong quota, wala pong auto ship, walang mga point system, hindi ka bibili ng mga produkto kung hindi mo kailangan, at wala na din syempre yung overpricing of products dahil yung mga produkto po natin dito kay Live Good ay ibinigay po sa atin ng company ng almost factory price. So meaning to say, no, ni-launch po yung company natin more than 2 years, magti 3 years na po tayo. December 13 of 2022, it was launched globally. So and then with a business model of wholesale membership club. So meaning to say, we are not into selling the product per se, no? Ang sinishare po natin sa mga tao dito is the membership. The membership, no? Para maka-avail yung mga tao ng murang produkto. Okay, na ibinigay sa atin ng halos factory price. So this is the membership that pays. So ngayon, paano ba nag-umpisa si Live Good? So I gonna give you a little bit of history. na-inspire po si Live Good with Amazon. So, 1995, ito pong company na to, I know that all of us knows this, no? This is one of the most popular online store in the planet. Nag-umpisa po siya sa online bookseller at after 5 years, ito 5 years pa po nag-expand si Amazon. So, it goes beyond books, okay? Nagkaroon po siya ng mga video, music, uh, clothings, no, electronic, toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscriptions and a lot more. So doon po nag-umpisa si Amazon. And right now, no, where is Amazon after 30 years? Almost 300 million members na po. And grabe po yung na-earn po na income po ni Amazon. So and because of that, no, na-inspire po yung ating brilliant CEO na ipapakilala ko po sa inyo mamaya. So, Live Good, nag-umpisa po tayo sa mga wellness products. Pero, we're gonna be adding more products and services from other industries. So, in fact, meron na po tayong skincare, launching, ilo-launch na po malapit itong household. We also have coming fundraising. We already have products para sa mga pets. We will be having travels, finance, solar, crypto, AI, just name a few and a lot more. So, totoo po yung sinabi po ni Live Good that we will become what? We will the future Amazon of social marketing. So, palakpakan nyo naman po si Live Good doon. So, we will be the next Amazon of network marketing. Yun po yun. And showing this, no, si Live Good po is not a wellness. It's not a health and wellness company. So, this is a membership club, no? So the membership is the product that we promote. So no buying and selling of unwanted products and services. Ganun po tayo, no? And Live Good will become a one-time, one-stop online wholesale superstore. So gusto nyo ba yung ganun, no? Na member ka ng Live Good, lahat ng mga kailangan mo, isang bagsakan lang, isang open mo lang ng dashboard mo, nandoon na lahat ng mga ipa-purchase na kailangan mo. So palakpakan po natin dyan si Live Good. And now, bakit ko po sobrang minahal tong company na to? Kasi alam niyo po ba, upon seeing the landing page, I really fall in love na in love po ako na love at first sight po ako kay Live Good. But what makes me more passionate about the company is knowing the people behind our company. So, it's my honor to introduce to you our CEO, Sir Ben Glinsky, na kung saan siya po yung ating pong CEO with over 20 years of experience in running and in owning and running some of the most successful companies, no? Ben knows how to help people win. So yun po yung purpose ni Sir Ben, maging successful po tayo. A round of applause to our CEO. He is really a visionary man, a man walking the talk. Grabe po yung passion po niya. Every Friday makikita po natin sila sa Far Starter Friday. Working with him, syempre yung ating pong corporate team, wherein sabi nga dito, true leadership, it creates true success. So sobrang idol ko po sila, no? Talagang ina-admire ko po yung leadership ng mga taong ito because really they work to the core, no? So the Director of Product Development is Dr. Ryan Goodkins. Siya po yung ating pong Director of Product Development. And we have here Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, the Director of Product Education. Every Monday, meron po silang mga product knowledge. Sila pong mag-asawa para ma-educate po tayo. Punta lang po kayo sa Live Good page, no? Sa Facebook po. Okay, and of course, no, our Director of Field Development, no other than Sir Noder Kasan. Ayan. So palakpakan po natin ang ating corporate team. Ngayon, punta naman po tayo sa mission statement po ni Live Good. Would it be okay, no, na basahin po natin ito joyfully, coming from the heart? So kahit silent lamang po para mas maramdaman po natin bakit nga ba ipinanganak si Live Good. So this is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So dito po talagang inilulunsad po, no, ni Live Good na maging educator po tayo sa mga tao na magpaka-healthy because I believe, no, that health is one of the best wealth. Do you agree on that? Naniniwala ba kayo that health is the best wealth? So, grabe po talaga kasi if we are not going to invest, no, for our health, time will come. Ubus din po 'yan. Mapupunta din 'yan sa mga medical bills, mapupunta din 'yan sa mga hospital bills. Ubus po 'yan sa gamot. Kaya ngayon pa lang, no, habang tayo po ay may kapasidad para alagaan ang ating pong katawan. And by the way, it's our responsibility to take good care of our body because this is the temple of God given to us. Hello? Kumbaga, temple po ito ng Panginoon at dapat lamang kong ingatan po natin. So now, it's time to make a change. So yun po yung bakit meron pong Live Good. At sabi nga po ng ating Field Development Director, si Sir Noder Casan, the days of selling overpriced products, so a few people on top of the pay plan can get rich are over. So yun po yung kadahilanan bakit po meron pong Live Good. Kasi sa mga dati pong traditional network marketing company, ah ang tataas at ang mamahal po ng mga produkto. Kasi andun po tayo sa mindset na kaya po siya mahal kasi mabisa. Pero alam nyo, pinasinungalingan ito ni Live Good. Kinorek po ito na Live Good. Kasi yung dati po nating nakagisnan na mga pricing on the market, halimbawa ito pong talo with bomb na hawak ko po, no? It gonna rise up to times 10, okay? Times 10 or times 5 or times 20, depende po sa pay plan ng isang company. So si Live Good, tinanggal po na yung huge markup sa products. Nagdagdag lang siya ng konti for the warehousing at doon po ibinigay sa atin yung products ng almost factory price. Kaya po tayo magjo-join into a membership club, no? Para ma-avail po natin yung mga produkto given to us at almost factory price. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. So grabe, no? So now, why are you going to join Live Good? Sa mga nakikinig po sa amin, bakit po kayo sasali po sa amin? Number one, that is for your health. You are going to get the top quality products at almost factory price. Yun po yung kagandahan doon. And of course, number two, this is a smart income. So, you're gonna share, earn, and help others live better. Alam niyo po guys, no, ako po, I've been encouraged ng aking mga anak many times to engage into a business para sa family na lang at magretiro na ako sa network marketing. But I cannot really leave this industry. Alam niyo kung bakit? Hindi po mawala-wala sa isip ko yung amazing platform na meron po kay Live Good na sa halagang napakaliit na puhunan is pwede ka pong kumita ng ganun po kalaki. Yung potential niya is very lucrative na masasabi ko po it's easy, simple, duplicatable, doable. Hello? Very affordable. So yun po yung ating pong pag-uusapan na napaka-unbelievable na mangyari. However, dito na po papasok yung ating pong pag-aaral, no? Na kailangan po natin itrato po siyang isang big time opportunity. Na magkakaroon po tayo ng mindset shift on how you gonna consider this business, as a big-time business opportunity. So, dalawa pong dahilan lang, no, para sasali po tayo kay Live Good. So, good or good. So, ngayon, ano naman po yung mga produkto po ni Live Good? So, these are the products existing right now and it keeps on increasing from time to time. Halos buwan-buwan meron pong idinadagdag po na produkto si Live Good. If I'm not mistaken, it's already more than 40 na products na po. These are all made in USA, certified by GMP, the Good Manufacturing Practices, na pag meron kang certification yan, ibig sabihin yung produkto natin is high quality. And meron din po siyang USDA approval. Okay, what is this? Pagpapatunay po yan na yung mga produkto po natin are purely organic. So laboratory tested for purity and potency and you buy only when you need it. No need to purchase na dahil may quota. Hindi po ganun. And the good news is, meron po tayong 100% money back guarantee. In the 90 days na bumili ka, pwede mo pong ibalik yung produkto kung hindi po ito nag-work sa'yo. Okay, so palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Ngayon, the next question is, how you gonna join or how you gonna order the products? Dalawa lamang po. Pwedeng member, pwedeng consumer. So kung ikaw ay bibili ng produkto as a consumer, mababa po ang presyo natin kasi ang baseline po natin for the members is almost factory price. And kung ikaw naman po ay member, definitely you're gonna buy the products at almost factory price. So para ma-avail nyo po yung members price, simple lang, no? Go to the person who invited you, bayad lang po tayo ng $9.95, and yung mga produkto na meron kay Livegood, mabibilin mo na po ito ng almost factory price, and you have to stay active by paying your monthly subscription. So parang ganito lang yan, ano? Sa Netflix, kung hindi ka nag-subscribe for that particular month, hindi mo po, hindi ka na makakapanood, wala ka ng access to watch the Netflix. So the same thing also with Live Good, na if you are not active, okay, you cannot buy from your dashboard as member. So mabibili mo na siya as consumer. Do you get it? So ganun lamang po siya kasimple. So ngayon, pag member ka naman, ano ang benepisyo? 75% lesser tayo than out in the market. Majority po, I'll show it to you later on, ano po yung pagkakaiba ng mga Live Good products compared po dyan sa nasa labas. Okay? So I'll show it to you later on. Ngayon, the first way para sumali kay Live Good is para sa product, then you join as a member. However, would you like to earn 2,000 or even more, no? Sa pay plan po ni Live Good. At dito na po papasok yung pangatlo nating ipapaliwanag, which is all about the pay plan. So dito, para ma-avail po natin to, we need to sign up as an affiliate member. So si affiliate member po, okay, paano tayo magjo-join dyan? Babayad lamang po tayo ng one time na $40. You go to the person who invited you, kunin niyo po yung kanyang sponsors link, okay? And bayad po tayo ng $40 plus the $10. So all in all, that's $50, okay? Na one-time payment natin na $40. At yung $9.95, that is on a monthly basis na binabayaran po natin. Is it clear? Ngayon, pag-usapan po natin ano ang kapalit ng $40 na ibinayad mo. So, one time lamang po yan, pwede po kayong magbayad ng annual, okay? So it would give you $139.95. Or kung gusto mo naman na mag one-time payment ka muna ng $49.95, pwede ka na lang mag-upgrade later on. So now, ito po yung mga benefits na kapalit po ng $40. You will be having this affiliation for life. Ibig sabihin, one time ka lang magpabayad ng $40. And you will be given the complete digital business suite. So meron po tayo ditong 4 replicated website. Grabe, no? Parang all done for you na computer na website, no, na ibinigay po sa atin ng company for an amount of $40 only. So meron po tayong powerful landing page, meron po tayong website na meron kang access na you have the username plus the password, and meron po tayo ditong powerful the retail site store, sorry, no? We have the powerful landing page, the personalized website, we have the retail site store, at meron din po tayong free health assessment report na pwede mo tong i-share sa mga kaibigan mo na para kang nag-check up sa kanila. At ang reseta dyan ay mga organic products given by, diagnosed by Dr. Ryan Goodkins. So ganun po yun, ano? So palakpakan po natin si Live Good. That's totally amazing. And then next is you're gonna participate on the Complan. At malapit na po tayo, papunta na po tayo doon. And what else, no? Meron po tayong multi-channel payout system. Pipili ka, no? Kung direct to your bank or pwedeng credit wallet or gusto mong gawin na crypto or whatever, marami po tayong choices. Okay? So marami mong accreditation po si Live Good. Grabe po ka-amazing at ating pong company. So that's it, no? Now, I'll show you the comparison of the products, no? Yung mga comparison po ng ating pong mga produkto. Sabi natin kanina, kay Live Good, makakatipid po tayo ng almost 75% or higher. So ito po yung patotoo. Si Super Greens, no? $18. Ang mga competitor like Organifi, AG1, Athletic Greens, imaginein mo $70 at saka $100. Ang laki po ng difference. Lahat ng mga produktong to, nagbabayad po tayo ng freight cost kasi siyempre galing po ito sa Amerika. But nevertheless, ang laki po ng ating pong matitipid. So ganyan po sa Live Good. But wait, there's more. Yung product po natin, meron po tayong certificate of analysis na talagang transparent po siya, no? Pinakikita po ni ni Live Good yung transparency ng mga components ng mga products na yan. And it is given by Live Good. So, that's it, no? And then, syempre, tingnan naman po natin yung members price against sa retail price. So with multivitamins alone, makikita po natin na almost $8 po ang ating pong matitipid. Eh syempre, hindi lang naman po multivitamins ang bibilhin po natin. Bibili pa tayo ng kape, bibili tayo ng other products ng Live Good. So meaning to say, sulit po yung $9.95 na monthly subscription kumpara mo sa matitipid mo kung ikaw po ay member. Are you with me? Nagme-make sense po? So talagang super sulit kahit sa produkto pa lang. Okay. So ngayon, tingnan niyo po yung other products like organic coffee. So ako po talagang ito na laging iniinom ko kasi malinis siya, organic, and this is one of the best coffee in the planet. So ito po yung ating pong organic coffee by Live Good, no, na makakatipid ka po dyan ng how much? That's $11. Okay? $11. Yes. $12. So si protein naman, plant-based, is $12. So diyan pa lang po, ipinakita po sa atin ano ang savings na makukuha natin pag tayo po ay nag-member kay Live Good. Okay. So, that's it, no? And then, what else, no? You can do shopping sa ating pong website at ang ating pong website is pwede mo pong i-share yung retail site store mo in 200 plus countries. So meaning to say, pwede po tayo magbenta ng mga products po natin in 200 plus countries o order sila sa dashboard mo and the products will be delivered right away by Live Good at their doorsteps. So ganun po yon. At ganun din po tayo kasi ang company po natin is drop shipping. Okay, so drop shipping po tayo, no? It's based from US and we are operating in 200 plus countries. Ngayon, I want to show you one of the package, no? Ang tawag po natin dito ay international pack, international pack. And basically, ito po yung mga product natin na binigay po sa atin ng almost free shipping. Kaya I do encourage lahat po ng mga members, mag-order po kayo nito sa inyo pong dashboard. At powerful po talaga yung mga laman ng international pack. So, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng konting idea, bakit iinumin niyo po itong mga to. Number one is the bioactive complete vitamins. Grabe, no? Bioactive complete vitamins. This is a multivitamins for men and women na kailangan na po natin uminom po talaga ng mga multivitamins kasi yung kinakain po natin ngayon, alam nyo ba na hindi na po yan sapat. Kumbaga, the food that we are eating is no longer that complete. Okay? Bakit? Yung soil, yung stress, yung pollution, the pesticides, and many, many factors. So, we are discussing that also sa isa sa mga trainings po natin. And the super greens, ito naman po yung ating pong products na magbo-boost up po ng ating pong immune system at magkakaroon po ng stress recovery and digestive support at kung hindi ka rin palakain po ng gulay, halos lahat ng greens ay nandiyaraan na po. So marami po tayo ditong may mga diabetic problems na natulungan po dito sa ating pong products. Okay? And we also have this organic super reds. Just on the name itself, no? Mga berries products po ito at alam natin na ang mga berries, they are one of the most powerful antioxidants. Okay? So it has a cardiovascular protection. It's really good for the heart. At alam po natin na 32% ng causes of death because of heart problem. And that's how important the heart is. And it deserve po ng puso natin ang pag-aalaga po talaga. Kaya mag-take po tayo ng Super Reds. Meron po siyang, it helps us the cardiovascular protection, proper blood circulation, sexual health support, brain and cognitive function. So yun po na idudulot sa atin po ng Super Reds. And wait, there's more. Meron po siyang nitric oxide. So nagbibigay po siya ng proper blood circulation po sa ating pong katawan. So that's Super Reds. I'm taking all these products, by the way. And next one is the number one top selling product, which is Factor 4. So para kung meron po kayong mga kilala na nagsasuffer sa mga arthritis, okay, sa mga gout, mga tuhod, no? I-introduce niyo po yung Factor 4 kasi isa po ito sa pinaka-consistent top selling number one product in Live Good. Bakit? isa lamang po ito, no? This is the only one product sa pinagsama-sama po niya yung 4-in-1 na mga components. Andiyan po yung turmeric, CoQ10, garlic, and uh, I forgot, no? There are 4 powerful curcumin, okay? So, andyan po yung apat na yan na talagang pinagsama-sama po. That's why it's so effective, which is very, very good for anti-inflammatory. So, D3K2, ito naman po yung sunlight in a bottle. Alam niyo tayo po, nasa Pilipinas, alam ko marami po sa atin, hindi po tayo nasisikatan ng araw. But we know the power of sunlight, no? Nakakatulong po yan magpalakas ng ating pong buto, magpalakas po ng ating pong immune system. At pag umiinom po tayo nito, mas lalong nagiging mabisa yung iniinom po nating Ultra Magnesium Complex. So, powerful duo po itong dalawang ito. So, I call it sunlight in a bottle, which is Day 3K2. So, lahat po yan magaganda. And another one is the Ultra Magnesium Complex. Isa po ito sa ating pong superstar na products. Bakit? Meron siyang 300 enzymes, no, biochemical reactions sa ating pong katawan, 300. And don't you know that 80% to 90% ng total population ng adults ay kulang po sa magnesium. Kulang po sa magnesium. Imagine mo 300 biochemical reactions ang ginagawa niya po sa ating pong katawan. So ano ang maidudulot po ng magnesium po sa atin? Yes, number one is sound, restful, uninterrupted sleep. Ang tulog po ay napaka-importante. Apat na bahagay na kailangan po natin bantayan para magpaka-healthy tayo. Number one, no? Add-on ko lang po, no? Eating the right food, having a good sleep. Kaya ang ultra magnesium malaking tulong. Number 3 is moving your body through exercise. And number 4 is taking the right and the proper supplements. So with this, you can only get these 6 products at $99.95. All you have to do is order from your dashboard. Okay? At sa retail price naman, it's $129.95. So palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Ayan po, let's get healthy and wealthy at the same time. Ayan. So maganda po ba ang ating pong mga products? Pwede po ba bigyan po natin ng palakpak, no? A round of applause sa ating pong amazing company of Live Good. So palakpakan po natin. Ayan. So I gonna read here some testimonies. Okay po. Maiba naman po. So okay. Medyo mabagal po ay ano, medyo hindi masyadong clear sa akin. So, but anyway, basahin po natin dito si Marie V. Okay? So, ano pong sabi ni Marie? My experience with these supplements are amazing. When us women have menstrual cycle, we don't have iron. It drains it out of us. So, these vitamins puts it back in you. So, when you have your period, you don't drain it well. With my PTSD cause I deal with anxiety all the time and it helps with moods as well as your energy and much more. So ang sinasabi niya po dito, ito pong ating pong mga supplements na nakatulong po sa kanya. So another one, ito po si Francis. Basahin po natin si Francis. I've been taking the magnesium for about a month now. And wow, what a difference. I fall asleep faster and sleep soundly. I wake up feeling like I'm ready to get up and face the day. Amazing in my 50s and feel like I'm in my 30s. And in the multivitamins for men, for women plus iron, I'm in love. So ang dami po nating mga amazing testimony po dito sa ating pong products. And we hope na someone could share kung ano po yung ginawa ng product po sa kanila. So ito po, no, basahin ko tong kay Lilinel. The factor for advanced formula is effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe but it's true. Yes, so palakpakan po natin si Live Good. So kung pag-uusapan po natin yung mga testimonial ng Live Good po, grabe, hindi po tayo matatapos hanggang bukas. Ako po, ang dami na pong mga gumamit, bumili po ng product at kahit isa wala pong nagreklamo. Paulit-ulit, tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretso, wala pong nagbalik na pangit or what. Talagang they fall in love with the products of Live Good. So palakpakan po natin ang ating pong company. Wow, so we have an amazing company. We have a powerful products. Now let's talk about the most exciting one. Ito po yung ating pong lucrative compensation plan of Live Good. So sino po yung excited dito sa last part ng ating pong pay plan? Sino dito yung gusto nyo na yung mga products na to, sige, binild nyo yung business nyo, sasabihin nyo sa akin, Coach Big, hindi pa naman kasi sapat, no? Pang-subscribe lang yung pera ko, and then nagtitipid, marami po akong mga estudyante. Halimbawa, ganon, nakaka-relate pa tayo ng ganon. Sige, galingan po natin na i-build yung business because by the time, no, na you are making good enough, meron ka ng luxury para bumili ka ng mga products na yan at basically, iniinom nyo na po yan ng libre. Pero kung ikaw naman po ay wala kang, kumbaga, you don't need the business because you are having a good business, you also have a good job, fine and good, mag-take po kayo ng product. So, ibig sabihin, kahit sino pong taong kausapin po natin, need po talaga ang Live Good, okay? Mapanegosyo yan, mapa-products yan. Okay, so now, ano po yung ating pong ways para tayo kumita? So the pay plan of Live Good is illustrated to us, no? Or being designed in two ways, no? We have the infinite wide, 10 levels deep. Ito po yung isang genealogy, kung paano po tayo inilalagay, no? O paano po tayo binabayaran ni Live Good. And we also have the forced matrix, 2 by 15, 15 levels deep. Alam niyo po ba na sa almost 18 years ko sa business, sa network marketing, ngayon lang po ako nakaranas ng matrix, no? So, and I could say that this is the heart and soul of the pay plan. Kaya makinig po tayong mabuti. So, ito pong infinite wide, 10 levels deep, there are 7 ways kung paano tayo mag-earn. So we have here the weekly fast start, the retail commissions, the influencer bonuses, the customer acquisition bonus, the free products, the diamond bonus pool, and the crown diamond bonus pool. So dito, okay, so yan po yung paano po tayo dyan mag-earn. And the first matrix, okay, ito po yung talagang bakit po ako talaga sumali at na-attract po kay Live Good. Ito po yung nakita ko na sobrang sulit, no? So yung first matrix is the matching bonus and the matrix commission. So 2 by 15 levels deep yan. So para mas maintindihan po natin, pakita ko po sa inyo yung itsura. So ito pong 10 levels deep, no? Yung 10 levels deep, no? Unilevel, 10 levels deep, infinite wide. Ikaw itong nasa taas, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, you just keep on enrolling people. So, ang gagawin lamang po natin dito, i-share ng i-share ng i-share ng i-share ang opportunity ni Live Good. Okay, it's either on the product or on the business, and you can enroll as many as you can. You can enroll as many as you can. Ngayon, but wait, there's more. Kasi makikinabang pa tayo dyan up to the 10 levels deep kahit hindi na po kayo ang nag-invite. So dito, okay, take a look on this, no? So hanggang sa 10th level, meron pa po tayong income dyan. So i-explain ko po yan sa inyo later on. So dito naman po sa 2 by 15 forced matrix, it's so simple. Inilagay po tayo dyan sa triangular structure na the first level ay dalawa and then the second level ay apat. So, talagang nagmo-multiply siya. Okay? 2, 4, 8, 16 down the line up to the 15th level, babayaran po tayo ng ating pong company. So, ngayon, para mas maintindihan po natin ito, here we go. Example, okay? Ayan po, no, yung infinite wide. Enroll ka lang ng enroll. At pwede kang mag-enroll ng 100, 200, 1,000, libo-libo, pwede po yan. So, hanggang sa 10th level, hindi ka lang mag-earn sa in-enroll mo, kundi pati yung in-enroll ng taong in-enroll mo. And then the 2 by 15 forced matrix, meaning to say, yung matrix na to, pupunuin natin ng hindi ka lang mag-isa. Tulong-tulong po tayo dito. So, dyan po, iikot yung ating pong presentations. And for tonight, okay, we have 9 ways to earn in Live Good. But I gonna focus on the 4 ways to earn. Dito lamang po tayo sa apat na to, magfo-focus para mas mabilis. At alam ko po, pag naunawaan nyo itong apat na to, sapat na, no? Para gawin po natin ang negosyo ng maayos. Okay? So the first one is the weekly fast start bonus. Ang tawag ko po dito is active income. Ang tawag ko po dyan is now income. Kung meron kang urgency, no, in building the business, it's so simple. You just do it now because next week sisweldohin mo na yan. Okay? So that's active income. Number two is the matrix commission. So kung gusto mo naman po ng parang retirement income, yung tatrabahuin mo siya in the next 3 to 5 years, but after that, residual income ka na. Diyan ako excited, 'di ba? So yung marami po nating mga kapatid na mga empleyado, so ganun po 'yun ano, mag-work ng 20 years, 25 years because after that, meron pong pension na tinatawag. So dito kay Live Good, meron din tayo niyan, pero hindi po kailangan ng 20 years, okay? I'm gonna show later on. Okay? Pwede mapabilis po 'yan. Depende po sa mindset natin, sa strategy natin, sa action na gagawin po natin. Okay? So I call it retirement income or we call it passive income. And number three is the matching bonuses. Alam nyo, ang business ng network marketing is like people franchising business. So you build people at dito po para tayong merong royalty fee. Kasi every people that we build, okay, meron po tayong certain matching bonuses na nakukuha. Okay. And last but not the least is the diamond bonus pool. Ano po yung diamond bonus pool? Ito po yung income ni Live Good na 2% of the income of the entire world, entire Live Good, ay ina-allocate po yung 2% na yon para paghati-hatian po ng mga diamonds. Okay. So are you excited na po? Excited na po tayo sa apat na kitaan? Ipapaliwanag po natin. Okay, so sige nga po, sino po yung excited? Can you please type on the comment section, excited. So sino po yung excited dito? Number one na papaliwanag po natin is the weekly fast start bonus. So sobrang exciting po, no? Kasi just on the name itself, it is very, very self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. Kasi ito po yung active income or as I said, it's the now income. The more na humahataw ka, the more na kumikilos ka, the more na nagpro-prospect ka, the more na nag-i-invite ka, the more na nag-share ka, the bigger the rewards you'll receive week after week after week. Hello? Hello? So sino dito yung meron kang urgent need na on a weekly basis, kailangan mo talaga ng result, kailangan mo ng income kasi may mga bayarin ka, meron kang mga bills na dapat bayaran. So dito magsipag po tayo sa weekly fast start kasi now income po ito. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay ng quincenas, hindi mo kailangan mag-antay ng katapusan kasi on a weekly basis, binabayaran po tayo na Live Good. Ang cut-off natin is every Friday 3 o'clock and then next Thursday night, sisweldo na po tayo. So dito, makikita mo agad-agad ang resulta ng effort mo. Hello? So, kumbaga directly proportional. So, kung ano yung trinabaho mo ngayon, siswelduhin mo agad yan next week. So, grabe po ka-exciting. So, Coach V, sige na nga, ipaliwanag mo na paano ba yan. So, it's just so simple. Sa lahat ng bayad ng $50, no? Sa lahat na nagbayad ng $50, meron po tayong $25 referral bonus which is 50% sa binayad po ng ating pong direct. Wala pong auto ship, walang quota, walang volume requirements. And totally, I was blown out when I heard this. Kasi sa dating company ko, alam niyo kung magkano po ang dapat kong i-enroll? That's 15,000 pesos plus for me to get $25. Pero kay Live Good, wala pang 3,000 pesos and the company gives you lucratively 50% of that. So palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Okay, palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Are you with me? Hello? Napaka-low entry, low ticket entry po natin ano at napaka-lucrative ng ating pong platform. So sana nakikita po ninyo kung ano yung nakikita ko. So ngayon, tingnan niyo po ito no. Kung nag-enroll ka ng 10 ang in-enroll mo, imaginein mo you're gonna earn $25 for each person, magkano po ang direct referral fee mo? Kukuha at makakatanggap po kayo ng $250. So, ganun lang, no? Pag mas masipag ka, mas malaki po ang inyo pong ma-earn. But wait, there's more. You can enroll unlimitedly and you can also enroll up to infinitely and you can also benefit up to the 10th level. So, klarado po ba? Sa bawat tao na ini-enroll mo, $25, $25, $25, infinite-wide unlimited earnings. Okay. So, ngayon, paano na yung sinasabing 10 levels deep? Simple lamang po, no? Meron po tayo dito tinatawag na ranking positions. So, pag nag-umpisa ka, syempre, ang tawag po sa iyo rank kasi wala ka pang kasama no? So, unranked po kayo, meaning to say, you get 50% outright doon sa no, outright. You get 50% from the enrollment of the person which will be given to you next week, after 1 week. At pag ikaw ay nag-bronze, alam nyo ba ang bronze, 2 tao lang yan. So pag nakakuha ka na ng 2 direct, yung dinirect nila may 10% ka. At pag ikaw naman po ay nag-silver, mga most likely the team volume is 20 people. 20 people, yung in-enroll mo, meron po kayong 5%. At pagdating naman po sa gold, a total of 100 people, okay, team effort po ito, magkakaroon ka ng additional 3% and 2% sa 5th and 6th level. At pagdating naman sa platinum, magkakaroon ka ng additional 2% and 1% sa 7 and 8 level. A total of 500 team effort po ito. And diamond, 2,500 people in your team, additional 1%, 1%. Meron po tayo ditong mga requirements, but I'm not going to explain to you in details. Mamaya po sa latter part po ng ating pong presentations, pwede po kayo mag-screenshot doon po sa mga requirements kung paano po tayo magra-rank up. So kung member na po kayo kay LiveGood, yung upline po ninyo, pwede po yung ipaliwanag sa inyo paano po mag-rank up. Or you can just attend no sa ating po mga trainings. We're gonna be storing training program sa LGSEI University about the onboarding trainings po natin para yung ating po mga bagong members no maintindihan po nila at makahabol po sila yung mga training programs na kinakailangan po nila. Okay? So that's the weekly fast start bonus. Okay, madali ba? So palakpakan po natin si Live Good. So that's just how simple it is, no? You leverage your income up to the 10th level. So anong strategy? What is the best strategy that you are going to do here? The best strategy is rank up. The faster you rank up, the deeper the uni-level bonus you're gonna earn. So kung mabilis pumapaspas ang grupo mo, bilisan nyo din pong mag-rank up kasi sayang yung mga taong nandoon sa ilalim na. Nandoon sa direct, ng direct mo. Okay po? So that's weekly fast start. Next is, let's go to the next. Ngayon, para mas ma-illustrate ko muna, no, pakita ko po sa inyo, gaano ba kalaki yan? Para po kayong namumulot ng $25, $5, $2.50. Diba? $1.50, $1.50 and 50 cents. Ganyan po yung itsura ng mga income. Yan po yung halaga ng income na na-accumulate natin up to the 10th level. Imaginein mo kung meron kang 1,000. Paano na lang kaya kung sa 10th level may 1,000 ka doon times 50 cents? How much is that? I think that's $500. Mhm. 'Di ba? $500 is how much? So magkano na yan dito sa atin? Paano yung 7th level, 9th level, 8th level, 7th level? So ganyan po kalaki yung ating pong weekly fast start bonus. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Now, so we have to rank up. Yes, tama ka dyan, Coach Vic. And now let's go to number 2. Ito po yung ating pong matrix income. Ang tawag ko po dito, ito po yung this is the heart and soul of the business. This is your future income. This is your passive income. This is your residual income. Ito yung puso at kaluluwa po ng ating pong Complan na with the simple power of two, okay? With the simple power of true strategy, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng strong matrix na magkakaroon tayo ng retirement income from $2,000 to $16,000 month after month after month. So this is where you're gonna earn money while you are sleeping, while you are on vacation. Grabe, no? Yung bang tipong hindi ka na nagtatrabaho or maybe nasa bakasyon ka, hindi naman perfectly hindi ka nagtatrabaho, pero you are not actively enrolling people so much, pero yung matrix commission, dyan tayo kumikita ng residual income. Sino sa inyo ang gusto ng ganun? Hello? Kasi for me, yun po yung na-figure out ko kay Live Good. Siyempre, tayo dito, time will come, we wanna retire also, di ba? Yung parang hindi na tayo so much of enrolling people, prospecting dito sa matrix income na to. Kung gusto nyo na talagang hindi na kayo masyadong nagpo-prospect, no? If you want that kind of life, no? You better do massively right now to fill in your matrix and teach them to do the same. So, handa na po ba tayo pag-usapan yung true passive income? Na kikita tayo ng $2,000 to $16,000 month after month after month after month. So, fasten your seat belt, fasten your seat belt, kasi sa lahat po no ng mga tao na ilalagay po sa ating pong triangular structure, nagbabayad po ng $9.95, certain 25 cents dollar, kinukolekta po yan ni Livegood, kinukuha po ni Livegood yan at ibinabalik po sa atin. So para mas ma-figure out po natin ito, okay, ano nga ang sabi ko po sa inyo kanina? Si matrix, inilalagay tayo sa triangular structure. So you are on top, the first two people that will gonna join you, syempre sila po yung malalagay sa left and right nyo. Are you with me? So, syempre, hindi lang naman dalawang tao ang enroll mo. Meron pang pangatlo, meron pang pang-apat. So, saan yun mapupunta? Definitely sa ibaba. So, anong nangyayari? Pwede ka nga talagang malaglagan ng tao na hindi naman ikaw ang nag-enroll. But, if you want to fill in the matrix fastly, ng mabilis, no? Simple lamang po yung pinaka-doable na strategy. Yan po yung proven power of 2. Bakit power of 2? Bakit hindi power of 3, power of 5, power of 10? Marami pong mga strategy, but the one that is really highly doable, attainable, is the power of 2. Kasi biblically, Adam and Eve, mundo. Di ba? Nanay at tatay natin, tayo. So itong dalawang to, ito po yung kayang gawin ng kahit sino. Kasi napaka-imposible na wala po tayong dalawang kakilala. Kung wala kang ma-enroll na dalawang tao, na hot list mo, na warm list mo, grabe, mag-isip-isip ka na at magdasal-dasal ka na. Lord, ano bang ginawa ko sa buhay? Bakit kahit dalawa, wala talaga maniwala sa akin? Magbulay-bulay po tayo pag ganun ang nangyari. But I know na hindi po mangyayari po sa atin yon. Kasi imagine mo yung best friend mo, yung nanay at tatay mo, hindi ka pa pagbibigyan, yung kapatid mo, hindi ka pa pagbibigyan, yung asawa mo, hindi ka pa pagbibigyan, yung anak mo, hindi ka pa pagbibigyan, yung mga kaibigan mo, katrabaho mo, diba, yung mga BFF mo. So, ibig sabihin, napaka-imposible po niyan. At paano yung mga taong kilala mo na nangangailangan po ng produkto? So, just two out of your clout, no? Meron po yan dyan. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. That power of two, ngayon, pag ginawa po natin tong dalawa, at tuturuan natin na yung dalawa na yon ay mag-enroll din ng dalawa. Kasi ako po, mga kapatid, ang simpleng naiintindihan at nauunawaan ko po sa network marketing is the word duplication. So yung duplication, mahalaga po yung proper understanding natin dyan. Kasi everything duplicates. Mapatama, mapamali, mapabuti, mapasama, positive, negative, nagdo-duplicates po. So dito, we are going to duplicate correctly na yung dalawa, turuan mong kumuha ng dalawa. Okay? I'm not saying na getting 5 is wrong, ha? What I'm trying to point out is let's just start with the easiest. The easiest. Pwede bang type pa tayo ng easiest? Kasi parang i-consider po natin yung mga taong in-enroll po natin na para po silang newly born babies na hindi mo naman yung pakakainin agad ng solid food. Milk muna, milk. So, ganun po yun. So, doon muna sila sa madali, which is just 2 sa kanilang mga hot list, sa kanilang mga warm market list. Imaginein mo kung lahat po tayo nakafocus sa pagkuha ng dalawa-dalawa at tuturuan yung dalawang kumuha ng dalawa, ang bilis po nating mapupuno itong matrix na to. At pag tayo po ay bronze, imagine mo bronze to silver, 13th level po ang ating pong income dyan. So pag tayo naman po ay na-rank up to gold and platinum, up to 14th level po tayo dyan. And then the 5th level, ito naman po yung diamond pool. So, gusto kong ipakita po sa inyo yung yung how much is the amount of this. Paano pa tayo dito i-reward? So take a look on this, no? So this is again the uni level up to the 15th level, wherein sa level 1, etong dalawang tao Okay, nag-earn po tayo ng 25 cents, meron tayong 50 cents. So again and again, network marketing is duplication, na yung 2, nag-4, nag-8, 16, 32, 64. Down the line, it keeps on duplicating up to the 12th level, no? Wala ka pang in-enroll dyan. The potential income is $2,047. Paano kung nag-enroll ka ng dalawa? Ang rank mo is bronze. The potential income is $4,095. Hello? So kung bubuksan po talaga natin yung ating pong puso't isipan, where can we find a certain opportunity as low as 3,000 pesos and the residual income that we gonna be receiving potentially month after month after month after month just by getting two people and teach the two to get two para mabilis po yung growth ng ating pong matrix. That's $4,095. It's more than 200,000 pesos. Hello? Palakpakan nyo naman po si Live Good. And pag nag-gold and platinum po tayo dito, the potential income doubles. Okay? You rank up and you gonna bank up. Okay? And then, kung tayo po ay nag-diamond, that is 16,383,000. That's almost a million every month. So dito mga kapatid, let's pause for a while. Magbulay-bulay po tayo. We've been praying for such an amazing opportunity na bigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Pero ang hindi natin nare-realize, may isang napakagandang opportunity named Live Good na nagbigay ng lucrative payout system through the matrix na bibigyan niya tayo ng residual income from $2,000 to $16,000 depending upon kung paano natin trinabaho at paano natin dinuplicate yung growth system ng ating business. That is why me, in LGSEI, I value education because that is the platform wherein we educate the members to give them the proper education, to give them the right learnings, okay? To give them the knowledge, the clarity, and the understanding on how this really works. Kasi pag nagkaroon po tayo ng proper understanding on how we gonna run the business, doon po tayo nagiging confident. Just recently, we talk about prospecting. And we've been digging up, deep dive sa ating pong prospecting para magkaroon po tayo ng massive enrollments. Kasi doon po natin maibabalik yung weekly fast start na madami at mabilis nating mapupuno ito pong ating pong matrix. Ngayon, tell me, madali o sobrang dali? At papakita ko po sa inyo, ano yung simplest na strategy. Go for bronze in your first week. Pass it on and maximize the matrix. May kasabihan nga po, press on while the iron is hot. Habang excited ka, di ba? Kahit hindi mo alam kung paano i-present yung business, grabe, ang tao nagsa-sign up, boses mo pa lang, walang presentation. Just the excitement itself, no? It really propels. It really attracts. So go for bronze, dalawang tao, at ituro mo din sa kanila that on their first week, mag-bronze sila. Kasi pag ginawa po natin itong strategy na to, okay? Pag ginawa po natin ito, potential lang po, no? Week 1, yan po ang itsura, may dalawang tao ka. Ngayon, itong dalawang tao na to, tinuruan mo din na kumuha ng dalawa on their first week. Kaya second week, may 4 na tao na sa second level. Itong 4 na to, ganun din ang mindset. Friend, Beshi, dalawa lang din. Okay, naging 8. Naging 16. Imaginein mo yung growth, nagdo-duplicate ng naduduplicate, at sa loob lamang ng 15 weeks, yung ating pong matrix, pwedeng mapuno. So, ganun po siya kabilis yung growth kung meron pong proper duplication. Hello? So, with the simple power of 2, pwedeng mapuno ang matrix sa loob lamang ng 15 weeks. And that is literally 1 month and 3 weeks. 1 month and 3 weeks na tayong lahat, trabahuin natin ito with the simple power of two at palakasin natin yung simple power of two na yan, magre-retiro tayo na kumikita tayo ng $2,000 up to $16,000 month after month after month after month. And later on, sa latter part ng ating pong presentation, I'm gonna teach you what are the duplication code. Can you please type on the comment section, duplication code? Ano yung duplication code na gagawin natin para magkaroon po tayo ng tinatawag po na residual income? Okay? So, hello? Ngayon, Coach B, hindi naman ganun kadali, no? So, wag naman 2 weeks. O sige, 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 okay lang. Wag 2 weeks. 1 month, dalawa. Okay ba yung 1 month, dalawa? Coach Vic, sa tingin mo, hello, sa lahat ng mga nandito po sa Zoom, is getting two in 1 month attainable? Is it doable? Hello, kaya ba? Can you please type 2? Power of 2 sa ating pong chat box. Pag nag-enroll tayo ng dala-dalawa lang sa loob lamang po ng isang buwan. Isang buwan. Ngayon po nagpa-practice po tayo na makapag-enroll po tayo ng dalawa sa loob ng isang linggo. Because of the 5-step source system po ni LGSEI. Okay? I've been teaching you the 100 conversation in just 1 week na wherein meron 30 magre-reply at meron kang 10 na mapag-sharean po ng Complan at pwede mo ma-invite dito sa Zoom. As long as ginagawa mo po talaga yung 100 convo. Okay? Pag ginawa po natin yung 100 convo na yon, power, I'm telling you, puno po itong ating pong Zoom. Okay? Puno po yung ating pong Zoom. And I know all of you, majority of you will be happy. You are excited because you are making your monthly income. Just do the 100 convo. Ngayon po, pagpalagay na lang po natin na hindi po dalawa sa isang linggo. Dalawa po sa loob ng isang buwan. Si Coach Vic lang ba ang nakikinig ng Power of Two? So, asan po yung iba? O, sige. Sa susunod po, magkakaroon po tayo ng rules, no? Na once lang dito po tayo sa loob ng Zoom, let us interact. Okay? Because that is our involvement. That is our participation. That we are here to collaborate. We are here to put the energy. Okay? The energy. Ano bang energy nyo? So, zero level ba? O 100 level? Anong level ng energy meron kayo ngayon? Hello? Ay, grabe talaga yan. Okay, so sige, tuloy po tayo. So ngayon, ang taas ng energy ko, no? Sorry. Para ako naka-E3. Oh my God. Excited lamang po. Pasensya na kayo. Excited lamang po ako. So ngayon, I'm just so excited. Alam nyo guys, what makes you excited? If you really keeps on talking to people, no? If you keeps on talking to people and you're running short of time, no? Because you've been busy talking to a lot of people, may excite ka talaga, 'di ba? At nakikita mo clearly, brightly, ano yung future natin dito sa company na to. Okay? So, ayan po, no? So, pagpalagay na lang natin dalawa sa isang buwan. Guys, no? 1 year and 3 months, pwedeng mapuno po ang ating pong matrix. So palakpakan po natin si Livegood. Grabe, no? 1 year and 3 months, pwede pong mapuno si Livegood. So nasa atin po nakasalalay kung paano po natin i-apply yung duplication process na meron po dito sa Powerful Matrix Commission na ibinigay po sa atin ni Livegood. Okay, so thank you Coach Vic for being on my side. Okay. Okay, so hello dyan sa nakikinig. Ayan po, hi Jeffrey, Sumera Esteban, hi Annalisa, hi Coach Lilia. Ayan po, so mga nakikinig po sa atin dyan. Thank you so much. I-share nyo po ito. Ayan, Vicenta, thank you for watching dyan sa ating pong live. Ngayon punta na po tayo doon sa third part, which is the matching bonus. The matching bonus, ito po yung pinaka main dish ng ating pong pay plan. Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka masarap na putahe. Grabe, papakita ko po sa inyo. Kung si Matrix, masaya na po tayo, pero si matching bonus, pet malo po ito. Ito po yung income na nagulantang ako. Hindi ko po sukat akalain saan galing ito. Okay. So ngayon, paano ba si matching bonus? So sa lahat po ng mga dinirect po natin, 50% po ng income nila, bumabalik po yan sa atin. So Coach Vic, if in-enroll mo ako, 50% ng income ko, akyat ng akyat, ang akyat po yan sa'yo. Are you with me? So, ganun lamang po siya. Okay? So, kung halimbawa, nag-earn ako ng $100, 150 sa'yo. Ngayon, nag-earn ng 120, kalahati sa'yo. So, it's just as simple as that. But wait, there's more. Meron po tayong tinatawag na 5 generation dip. Infinite wide po ito, na meaning to say, hanggang sa fifth level, no? No? Fifth generation, sorry. Hanggang fifth generation, no? Depending upon on your rank, no? So, meron po tayong makukuha dito from 50% up to 3%. So, paano po ito? Meaning to say, yung first generation mo, ito yung direct mo. Meron kang 50%. Ngayon, sa second generation po ng lahat ng silver, meron ka diyang 10%. And then, sa lahat din naman ng mga golds, meron ka diyang 5%. Depending upon on your rank, no? So, kung ikaw ay gold, sa lahat ng gold, meron kang 5%. So, pag platinum ka, sa lahat ng platinum, up to platinum, no? Pati direct mo, silver, gold, platinum, meron ka diyang 5% up to the fourth generation. So, diamond naman, pag diamond ka, up to the fifth generation ng lahat ng diamond sa grupo mo, up to the fifth generation, ibig sabihin mo, generation, hindi level, generation. Kung sino yung, ito first generation, nasa third level mo, first generation yon. Kung ito is nasa 10th level, yung next diamond, second generation mo to. So, imaginein mo kung gaano parang semi-infinite na din po siya. So, that's the matching bonus. Ngayon, paano nag-work yon? I'm gonna give you example. Pagpalagay po natin na meron kang 10 direct na ang kanya pong income ay $100, kalahati po nun is $50. At kung meron ka namang 10 silver, example lang, 100 ang team niya, at yung 100 na yon merong $100 na income for purposes of discussion, meron po tayo ditong $10. Times 100, that is 1,000 US dollar. So basically, ganyan po kinocompute si generational bonus. Okay? And down the line. So no wonder, ito po yung pinaka-main dish po ng ating pong pay plan. So ngayon mga kapatid, bago po natin ituloy sa pinaka-last, if you think, no, you are serious in building this business, it's just but strategical na i-enroll mo ang anak mo or yung parents mo. Pwedeng 3 heads, pwedeng 7 heads. Ako po, in-enroll ko po yung 5 kong anak. Nagsisi ako kasi hindi ko pa pinunong 7, no? So, and true enough, meron po akong direct na isa po ito sa mga great friend ko from Samar, kababata ko po, na nalagyan po talaga siya ng left and right ng tao na kumita po siya even without earning, without building the business. Pero kahit nangyari po yun, I never promote that into my team because isa lang siya in a thousands. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi yan nag-a-apply sa lahat. Pero kung lahat tayo i-enroll ng dalawa at i-duplicate down the line, mabilis po mapupuno ang matrix. So po, ito pong three heads strategy, pag ginawa po natin ito, you know how much is the potential income? Pag-aralan nyo na lamang po ito, you can do a screenshot on this. That's almost, that's for more than 500,000 pesos. That's the potential income, potential, no, probability na pwede pong mangyari pag tayo po ay nag-enroll ng dalawa sa ibaba po natin. Ika nga, 3 heads. Okay? So the last but not the least, powerful ba yung pangatlo natin kitaan? Now let's go to the last part, which is the diamond bonus pool. Ano po ito, no? So 2% ng income ng buong mundo, paghahati-hatian po ng mga diamonds. Okay po? So ipagpalagay natin, nag-earn po si Livegood ng 50 million. So times 2%, that is 1 million. Okay? Kung 200 ang diamonds, ibig sabihin the profit share is 5,000 US dollar. So, ganyan po kalukrative si Livegood. Okay? And according to Ben Glinsky, in the next years, na umabot na po ng 10 million to 20 million ang members ni Livegood, hindi na po bababa ng 10,000 US dollar monthly ang profit share po ng mga diamond kay Livegood. So, palakpakan po natin. Grabe, no? 10,000 US dollar. So, willing ba kayo? Gawin natin ito in the next 3 to 5 years. After 5 years, you are now a rockstar diamond of Livegood. Grabe, no? So, masayang magretiro pag ganun. And then the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool is 0.5% ng total sales, no, ng Livegood is paghahati-hatian po ng mga diamonds. So, kung yan po ay 50 million, tatatlo lang ang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. So most likely that is 83,000 US dollar. So congratulations sa mga Crown Diamond. Grabe, no? Kalukrative po yung pay plan po na Livegood. So with that, I'm done with the presentations ngayon. Sa mga nakikinig po sa atin dito sa presentations na to, pre-enroll because the moment you sign up as a pre-enrollees, kayo po ang unang mailalagay po sa ating pong power line. Okay? Kahit magbayad pa po kayo ng Friday sa cut-off, but pre-enroll po kayo ngayon, your chances to be positioned on top of the genealogy of your upline is mas mataas po, no? Okay, so ganyan po yung free enrollments. Okay, so what else? We're just at the tip of the iceberg. Nasa pioneering pa lang po tayo. Okay? Can you please type pioneer? So nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo. We're merely less than 3-year-old company. Pero nasa 2 million members na po tayo. And what about if nag-100 million na tayo kagaya ng Amazon, kagaya ng Netflix, kagaya ng Costco, no? Paano na lang kung nag-100 million members na tayo? Can you figure it out? Hello? Can you figure it out na aabot tayo ng 100 million? Ikaw, Coach Vic, nakikita mo ba yan? Nafi-figure out mo ba yan na in the next years to come, si Live Good ay hindi na 2 million, kundi aabot tayo ng 100 million. And syempre tayo nandito and we are sharing the pie of the total growth of Live Good. And right now, we are in 200 plus countries. So mga ilang countries na kaya yan pagdating ng panahon. And the good thing, okay, think crazy po tayo. Ikaw ang nakapagpabukas ng isang international company, no? Sa ibang bansa, grupo mo yun. Grabe, nag-isip lang ako. Lumawak lang yung pag-iisip ko. Grabe, no? So, palakpakan po natin si Live Good. So, ngayon, ito po yung mga rank qualifications. Pwede nyo po itong screenshots para aware po kayo paano po kayo mag-rank up. So, screenshot nyo po 54321, 54321. Okay. So, now, 10 reasons. Patapos na po tayo. Bakit po kayo join sa amin? Wholesale price on high quality supplements, okay, affordable membership fee, okay, lucrative affiliate program with a simple system, grabe, no? Proven to who get to duplication model. Yan po ang itinuturo sa atin ng ating po mga upline. A global business opportunity open in 200 plus countries. Wala po tayong auto ship at o hard selling. We are selling the membership club. First mover advantage, tayo po yung mga pioneer. Residual income and long-term stability, grabe po, no yun? 3 to 5 years, trabahuin mo to ng seryoso. So the done-for-you marketing system, yung lucrative website na meron po tayo, nakakaiba, okay? And then the trusted leadership and transparency na meron po sa ating company at marami pa pong iba. So palakpakan po natin ang ating pong company Live Good na siya pong hulog ng langit. So ngayon tapos na po tayo sa ating pong presentation and here is my question to all of you. Are you A, B, or C? Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? A, gusto mo na mag-affiliate member, bayad ka ng $50 or $140 kung annual. B is gusto mo lang mag-member, sige, bayad ka po ng $10. Okay? O kaya naman $100. Ni-round off ko na po ha. And letter C is you want to become a retail customer, order po kayo ng product ng Live Good. So wala pong problema. So just indicate yourself kung you are A, B, or C. So ngayon guys, no, I wanna wrap this up at para give you the proper steps, no, paano natin gagawin yung business. I have here 4 simple steps kung paano po natin to gagawin si Live Good. I know that some of you here are excited, no? Excited po ba tayo gawin ang Live Good? Again, I'll be giving you 4 simple steps. So number 1 is to define your why. Iba-iba po tayo ng purpose sa buhay. Iba-iba po tayo ng kalagayan. I don't know your situations. Pero gusto mong gawin si Live Good, you have to be rooted. You have to be connected to your why. Because your why, it fuels your purpose. It fuels your persistence. If you know your why, sabi nga, your how to is madali. And number 2 is so simple because you need to be willing to learn. Tandaan niyo po, wala pong diploma si Live Good. Wala pong diplomang nire-require si network marketing. Pero ang kailangan lang is maging teachable ka, maging coachable ka. Because true growth starts with humility. Naniniwala po ba kayo doon? Kasi marami po tayo dito. Marami po ako ng mga nakikilala, magagaling. Pero they have this acne mentality. Alam niyo yung acne mentality? Alam ko na yan. Pero yung totoo, hindi pa talaga totally alam. Kaya yung growth, hindi po talaga nakakausad because wala po yung humility. So if you really want to build this business seriously, stay humble, stay coachable, and be willing to learn. And number 3 is follow directions and obey. So ako I obey my uplines talaga po. Nung sinabi ng upline ko na maglista ako ng mga pangarap, basahin mo yung mga pangarap mo tuwing umaga. Ngumiti ka sa salamin. Ay grabe yun, lahat po yung ginawa ko. And of course, no, yung sabihin sa akin magbasa ako ng libro, umattend ako ng trainings, wag kang mag-a-absent. Nasa Olonga po ako noon, yung trainings nasa Alabang. Alam nyo ba na yung pera ko na just enough sa pamasahe. Umuwi ako minsan ang kinakain ko lang is mamon. Ay no 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 ano ba monay, monay, no? At saka konting tubig sapat na para makauwi lang ako sa bahay. So I obey. Lahat po ng mga yon na tinuro sa akin ng mentor ko, ng coach ko, ginawa ko. I obey and follow direction. Because you're gonna trust the process and follow the proven steps kung paano ginawa ng mga successful po na mga tao. And number 4 is take massive action. Stay coachable, don't wait for motivation, move with discipline. Siyempre, nothing beats po action. Kahit ang ganda-ganda po ng opportunity, kahit ang ganda-ganda po ng mga training programs, no? Excited ka, pero kung hindi naman po tayo magte-take ng action, okay, everything is dead. Sabi nga po ni Eric Worre, the sad truth on network marketing industry is a lot of people wants to get a big time income, but majority are doing the business in less than 15 minutes. Grabe, nakaka-guilty yun, ano? Marami daw po na gusto talaga ng income na malaki, pero ni hindi nga magawa yung business ng 15 minutes. If you are truly serious in building this business, give time. Give time to take a massive, massive action. Okay? So, I hope nag-resonate tayo doon. So, again, two types of people na isasali lamang po natin. Okay? Kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina. People who wants to become healthy. People who want to be a product members. People who want to become healthy and save money. They want to become a members just to enjoy the benefits of the product. And number 2, the affiliate members, ito po yung mga tao na sila po yung mga promoter. Sila po yung mga gusto ng earn smart. Bakit smart? Kasi sobrang andali po nito, ang liit ng puhunan, highly duplicatable, highly doable, highly affordable. And this is also the way para makatulong po tayo ng mga tao mabago po ang kanilang buhay. Okay, so they are the promoters, they are the builders. Okay, so those are the two types of people na hinahanap natin. No more, no less. Okay po. And I could say, no, ito po yung ating pong duplication code na itinuturo po dito sa LGSEI. That once you're gonna master these two, the core duplication and stability, dandil na po tayo. Number 1, masterin niyo po yung GPS formula. Ito po yung guided path to success. Dito po kayo magse-set ng goal, dito po kayo magkakaroon ng planning, dito po kayo magsusor. Ito po yung get in, plug in, stay in. Okay? Make a decision, no? Na you're gonna activate your membership. Alam ko, marami po sa atin dito yung iba na itinigil na nila yung kanilang subscription. It's never too late. Normal po sa buhay na when life hits hard, okay? Minsan give up po talaga tayo. But kagaya ng live ko po kagabi, I said na you just embrace the process. Just trust the process. Okay? May purpose po ang Diyos. And number 2, never allow your fears to shout louder than your faith. Kailangan po maging faithful po tayo. Live good, change a life of many people. Bakit ikaw hindi? Bakit sa'yo hindi? And number 3, turn that kind of challenge, no? That kind of pain or difficulty into a purpose. So ako po, I have this big vision for Live Good Philippines na sa sobrang ganda nito, ang daming pong taong mababago po ang buhay. Kaya I'm really passionate of giving out the best that I can. Oh, ayoko maging emotional. I'm giving out the best that I can kahit mahirap. It's not all the time easy, but I know that God really sees my heart na ito po talaga yung opportunity na makakapagpabago ng maraming ordinaryong tao. Kasi sa halagang 3,000 pesos, pwede mong abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Sa halagang 3,000, di ba? 3,000. Wala pang 600, sabihin na lang natin monthly. Imaginein mo, pwede mong mabigyan yung pamilya mo ng maayos na pamumuhay. Pwede kang maging healthy. Pwede kang makapagretiro ng maayos. At meron kang sapat na ipon. So sana sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig po, no? It's never too late, no? When life hits hard, it's just but normal. Okay? Just embrace the process. Okay? Hindi natin alam na yung time na we are in the deepest ground, that is the time we are where the roots are rooting underground. Doon po tayo mas tumatatag. Doon po tayo mas natitinag. Ako po, I have this unshakable faith. Kahit anong nangyari, I remain faithful to my faith because I believe that Live Good is really a God-given gift, no? Business po ito ng Lord. Kaya ako, ginagawa ko lang po yung part ko na ma-impart din ito sa mga tao na this can be the opportunity that you've been praying for. So, all you have to do is just GPS. Master it and teach that to your team. Kaya pag halimbawa darating po ang ating pong trainings, as an upline, do your part to empower your team. Invite them, remind them, invite intentionally. Okay po? Ako, yung mga ini-invite ko po, majority, hindi po sila nakaka-attend ng Zoom, but I can share to them the video presentation. That is why, on a weekly basis, I have more or less my sign up. I have 2 last week and then working out again 2 for this week. So hindi man more or less in 1 month, meron po akong 2 minimum. So okay na ba yon? At least there is progress. Okay, we are not for perfection, but we are here for progression. And number 2 is the power of 2 strategy, the duplicatable growth plan. Ano po ito? Mag-enroll po tayo ng dala-dalawa. Yung itinuturo ko po sa LGSEI na 5-step SOAR system, wherein from the conversation to the ECA to the asking question through the form system, going to the invitation, and going to the closing and follow-up. Those are just the 5 simple steps that we're gonna do, okay? And then harnessing the SAW, na meron po tayo mga tactics, okay? Mga scripts that you're gonna follow, okay? Sundan lamang po natin and get the substance of it. Then there you go. Meron na po tayong skill sets na magagamit po natin sa ating pong prospecting. And marami pa pong mga trainings na paparating, pero just let's do it one step at a time. So the best thing to do it is just the power of 2 plus the GPS. Having this 2, that's the duplication code, and more than enough now for us to really soar high. So before we end, allow me to share to you the mission statement of LGSEI: to raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar, empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose, and equipped to duplicate abundance across the nations. So hindi lamang po tayo dito para maging healthy, hindi lang po tayo dito para kumita, because we are here really to duplicate abundance. Alam niyo, pag sinabi pong abundance, grabe po yan. That's overflowing. How many of you wants an overflowing life? Grabe, ako pinagdarasal ko po yung overflowing life. Grabe, no? So yun po yung tinatawag po na total freedom. And I know and I believe that Live Good could really give it to us, because the opportunity is not only in the Philippines, but it is present in 200 plus countries. So palakpakan po natin ang ating pong company Live Good, and of course the LGSEI, praise God. And disclaimer, okay po, so the information contained herein has been approved as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the source from which it was obtained. And also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of 9.95 is a requirement to remain active and member po of Live Good. So with that, maraming salamat po sa mga nakinig po sa ating pong amazing opportunity ng Live Good. Thank you so much.